In this video I will show you how to create interactive polls or votes in WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Open the WhatsApp chat, either individual or group, where you want to create the vote. Next, click on paperclip icon on Android and plus symbol on iPhone. Select poll from the options that appear. Here you will see section for questions and options. Type in your voting question clearly in the questions field. Below the question, enter your response options in the options field. You can add up to 12 options. By default, WhatsApp allows to add multiple options in your poll. If you want them to only choose one option only, then tap toggle next to allow multiple answer to turn it off. Now the voter can only select one option. After that, click on Send button. You can see poll has been created successfully. If you want to delete poll, then long press poll and then click on Delete button. Then click on Delete icon and then click on Delete from everyone. In this way we can easily create interactive poll in WhatsApp. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.